Hey there, and how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. This is Cracks in Time, and I'm your host, Rick. If you like what I have to offer in this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, as it'll really help move things along. Liking and commenting on this video is also amazing. So what we have here today is the brand new GA-110EVA30-7A. The Neon Genesis Evangelion 30th anniversary collaboration. This is the third Evangelion GA-110 collab, the first two being the GA-110EV30-6A and the GA-110PS-7A, both in 2010. This special edition was designed by Akito Yamashita, the mechanical designer behind the Evangelion series. So, here I am talking about Evangelion and probably mispronouncing it. It should go to show that I don't really know much about anime. My experience is the 1980s. I used to watch Voltron when I was a young child. And then I saw, Transformers the movie. I don't know if that's considered anime. And Fist of the North Star. That's about where my knowledge begins and ends. And maybe Princess Mononoke, if I saw that also once. So who really cares? Nobody, but that's where I'm coming from as far as anime. But I saw this watch and it really jumped out at me and I figured I had to have it right away. So what is this watch? What is Evangelion? It's a series that debuted in 1995. It was done after 26 episodes. The Neon Genesis series. It was finished in 1996, but left a lasting mark. It was highly influential in the genre. Neon Genesis Evangelion is renowned for its deep psychological characterization and complex interpersonal dynamics. This watch was modeled after Evangelion Unit 01. It's a biomechanical organism. I guess differs from a regular mech. Anyway, 01 was piloted by the protagonist of the series, Shinji Ikari. And while at first glance it looks like the colors were just thrown together on this watch, they really mean something. Everything means something, which was pointed out to me by Chavo over at G-Shock Go. Thanks, shout out to that gentleman and his channel. So here we go, module 5146, 5425. There's two modules. I don't know why that is. So I'm new to the G-Shock game, so that I'm not sure why that is, to be honest with you. Here we have the Nerve logo. What Nerve is the organization in the series. And like I said, this was modeled after Unit 01, which is the biomechanical organism, like a mech kind of thing, biomech. And 01, the colors were used obviously in this watch. And certain aspects of his design also incorporated into this watch. G-Shock, you can go over the case here, the tin. You got your nice logo on top as well, G-Shock, and you got the Nerve logo as well. So here's the watch. Very nice. It's hard to see the negative red display here on this setup. There we go here. That's a nice looking, everything is laid out so cool on here. For example, I didn't know anything about, it just looked like colors, right? But there are things that are laid out with purpose here. For example, on the bezel of the watch is the face of Unit 01. You could kind of make that out. He has a horn coming out from the top of his head. There's the horn. Here, this red item here is the spear that he holds, which I'm not going to try to pronounce. And the spear forks to the top there, and there they are up there. And there's his arm holding his forearm. You can see the arm holding the spear as it rises to the top of the other strap. It's all really cool. There's a good shot of the display. This right here on the 9 o'clock position is apparently called an angel. Those are the antagonists of the mechs, you know, the bad guys, as it were, I assume. I love the caution tape design there. This is really a nice watch. Now it's there we go. There's the back. Let's see if we can get a good shot of that. Now it's a standard GA-110, but that's, you know, that's good. It has all the features you would expect. World time, 29 time zones, 48 cities. You got your stopwatch, your timer, your general G-Shock accoutrement, 5 alarms with 1 snooze, the amber LED. Oh, let's see that. Let's see if we can do that real quick. Let's see how that looks. That looks pretty cool. That's only set up for 1.5 seconds. It's an auto light. So let's do that. I guess it ain't working, but that auto light works. All right, let's do a wrist check. So this is a really awesome watch that I'm going to keep in the collection. And I'm going to wear this in the rotation. I'm going to pop it out every once in a while. People are going to be like, what the hell is that? You're 49 years old, you're wearing this. I'm going to say, this thing is awesome right here. It's a nice conversation starter. About what? They're going to ask me what this is, and I'm going to have to tell them, you know, it's about robots and such. And they're going to look at me like I'm a fool. Oh yeah, here's the keeper here. You got Neon Genesis right on there. There's all these little intricacies here. I love that angel on the 9 o'clock position dial. Really cool stuff, man. You have nerve on the band as well. So hey, thanks for watching. Once again, my name is Rick. This is a new channel, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon for a vintage DW5600. Once we hit 100 subscribers, we're about halfway there. Once we hit 100, I'm going to give it away. I'm going to make a video on that watch soon with details on the giveaway. So thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a good day.